All of us will, at some point in our lives, experience some sort of stomach upset. This can be due to a range of things and can look like a bloated stomach. Feeling gassy, heartburn, acid reflux, or indigestion, it's often a pretty uncomfortable experience. But down below is an easily digested food list that'll reduce digestion problems and make your stomach feel better. There are a lot of choices out there, and these lists should be useful for those quickly searching out easy-to-digest foods for an upset stomach. Easy-to-digest foods. This easily digested food list contains foods from lots of different categories. Further down below we break the list down into fruits, vegetables, nuts, and drinks, while also mentioning hard-to-digest foods you should avoid. But first, here we have the general best foods for digestion. 1. Bone broth. Although it may sound like something straight out of The Lord of the Rings, bone broth is actually one of the best foods you can eat to encourage a healthy and effective digestive system. Bone broth boosts your immunity against stomach infections and inflammation while also promoting healthy bowel movement due to its rich supply of collagen and the gelatin that comes from it. The broth also contains glycine, which studies show further aids digestion and the breakdown of fatty acids. Moreover, bone broth contains an amino acid called glutamine, which has been shown to heal the intestinal barrier and benefit those suffering from the leaky gut syndrome or inflammatory bowel disease. 2. Chicken. Chicken is lean, white meat that's the second most eaten meat in the world. It's also one of the easiest meats to digest due to its high protein to carbohydrate ratio. In fact, chicken breast contains 80% protein and 0% carbs. Just make sure you don't fry it, since the excess oil and fat are bad for digestion. Fat slows down digestion and takes a toll on your digestive system, which in turn can leave you feeling bloated or uncomfortable. 3. Eggs. Are eggs good for an upset stomach? Eggs are a brilliant source of protein and minerals and are very easy for the body to digest, even for people who suffer from irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. Boiled, poached, or scrambled are your best choices, as they don't contain the additional oil that fried eggs contain. Though I'd personally suggest scrambled for an upset stomach. 4. Oatmeal. Another great choice for an easy-to-digest breakfast. Oatmeal is especially easy on the stomach if they're the instant oat variety served warm. Instant oats are thinner than rolled oats, which makes them easier to digest due to the starch's structure being broken down and becoming more accessible during digestion. In short, find what type of oatmeal works best for you and your stomach. 5. Yogurt. Yogurt is brilliant for easing any stomach complaints, as it is cultured with healthy probiotics, such as acidophilus, which is beneficial for gut function and can reduce bloating related to inflammatory bowel disease. But yogurt is also a good option simply because of its soothing and refreshing characteristics. These days it's even possible to choose brands that are specifically made for the promotion of healthy digestion. 6. Banana. Another low FODMAP fruit, a superfood and a staple of the brat diet, the humble banana is a great food to eat if you're prone to suffering from an upset stomach. The enzymes in this friendly fruit work similarly to how our own stomachs break down food. So should you be suffering from a stomach virus, a banana should be one of your first choices. Just make sure to eat only ripe, yellow bananas, since unripe, green bananas contain indigestible resistant starch and overall starch content of 80%. 7. Melons. These soothing and refreshing fruits are ideal to eat should you be experiencing stomach problems. They're pretty easy for the stomach to digest and will also help with digestion itself, since they're packed with water. Staying hydrated helps the digestion process. Moreover, melons contain lots of vitamin C that, according to this study, reduces the length of common colds in adults by 8% and 14% in children.